WhatsApp is a very powerful tool that you can use to market your business. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 best ways to market your business on WhatsApp. So whether you are an affiliate marketer, you are a digital marketer, you sell a service or you sell physical products and you want to learn how you can market your business, or maybe you are struggling to get clients using your WhatsApp. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 best ways that you can market your business on WhatsApp. All right. So if you're ready to learn, make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? Because I'm still going to drop some very important information. Welcome to my channel. My name is our Gmam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things you can do that can help you make more money for yourself and grow your business. So quickly, before I go into the video, I want you to do me one favor. That favor is for you to like this video, subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. You are doing that so that when I post another video, you will be notified whenever I post another video. All right. So having done that, quickly, let's jump into the video. Let me show you 5 best ways to market your business on WhatsApp. Now, before I show you these 5 ways to market your business on WhatsApp, why is it important? Let's talk about why it is important for you to use WhatsApp for marketing. Is it just a tool for chatting? Is it just a tool for connecting with people? We are going to look at why it is important for you to use WhatsApp for your marketing. Now, if you look at your screen now, you can see that WhatsApp marketing involves the use of WhatsApp to promote products and services by engaging customers through text, voice, video calls, status updates, and business tools. All right. So WhatsApp is not just a tool that you can use to chat people. You can also use it by using all of the features, okay, by engaging customers through text, through voice note, through video calls, through your status and other business tools. So if you have been using WhatsApp for just calls, if you have been using WhatsApp for just text, I want you to know that there are different features that you can use and exploit for your business. Okay. Now, why is it important for you to use WhatsApp for marketing? Number one, with WhatsApp, you can reach a wider audience. Very, very important. You can reach a lot of people with your WhatsApp as compared to when you want to do maybe other forms of marketing. All right. A lot of people are using WhatsApp. Currently in Nigeria, a lot of people, millions of people are using WhatsApp. Okay, that is why you should consider using WhatsApp for your marketing. Number two, why is it important to use WhatsApp for marketing? Number two, it is direct and personal. Okay, that means you can have a personal conversation with people and you can quickly, connect with these people, especially when you are using WhatsApp. All right, when you're using WhatsApp, it's quick enough for people to connect with you compared to when you're using emails. Not everybody read emails. Not everybody will use Facebook. Not everybody will use other social media platforms to communicate. But if you're using WhatsApp, most people are on WhatsApp and it is direct and personal. All right. Number three is that it is cost effective. When we say cost effective, we're saying you don't need to do too much. You don't need to buy any sophisticated softwares. With just your data and your app, when it is updated, all right, you can use it without spending too much. Number four is that the response rate is high. High response rate, meaning that once you send a message to people, people read this message in a short time. All right. If I send a message to you right now, in less than 30 minutes, you should be able to see the message. That's what that means. High response rate. So once people see your message, they can respond to you as fast as possible. These are the reasons why you should use WhatsApp for your marketing. All right. So having looked at this, let's go straight into the business of this video. Okay. Now, number one, 5 best ways to market your business on WhatsApp. Number one, One of the ways you can do that is to use educational quotes and business links. Okay, educational quotes and business link. Start by creating and crafting educational quotes that resonate with your business niche or industry. These quotes should provide valuable insights or inspiration to your audience. For instance, on Mondays, you can post quotes, right? You post quotes, design a graphics that is related to your business, that can solve problem, that is valuable. All right, this quote can talk about challenges and how to solve challenges, or something that just encourages people to do better. On Mondays, you can post this, and then you add your contacts. Pair each of the quotes with a link to your business contact or your website. By sharing these quotes on your website, on your WhatsApp status regularly, you can add value to your audience while subtly promoting your business and driving traffic to your contact. Can you see this now? So the essence of this is that you are alternatively or indirectly marketing your business while you are offering value to people in the form of education. Are you getting this now? So if I'm the one, let's say for instance, I manage to stumble on your quote, your graphic design with your quote and your contact. If it is very, very valuable and something that I've learned something from, I'm going to go straight to look for that contact. Do you understand? This is how it works. That's number one. So number two is to use broadcast lists. Very important. There are some people that may not even look at your status. All right, some people that are interested in your business, but they don't even have time to look at status. This is where you need to use broadcast. You can take advantage of WhatsApp's broadcast feature to reach a wider audience with targeted messages. All right, you can create a broadcast list. You can create broadcast list, send this list to them like once in a week or twice in a week, depending on how you want to do it. All right, make sure you send a broadcast list, and when you send a broadcast list, make sure it is not just about sales. Make sure you are creating contents that are in different angles. Maybe some days you can sell, some days you can just educate them, some days you can motivate them. All right, some days you can make them laugh, some days you can even ask them how they are doing. This is how to use broadcast. That's one way to market your business on WhatsApp. So the third one is to use WhatsApp TVs. Okay, WhatsApp TVs. Using WhatsApp TVs for marketing your business is way easier than setting up ads on Facebook. What that means is, if you're to set your advert on Facebook, most of the time you are going to experience one or two failures. Okay, especially if you are just starting out for the first time. Maybe Facebook can say, okay, this ad is not mature enough, let's restrict the ad. Sometimes people face ban, sometimes they can take down your ad, sometimes many things can happen to your advert. But for WhatsApp TV, all you need to do is to reach out to somebody that owns a WhatsApp TV. Okay, with WhatsApp TV, you can reach more people, build audience, and sell to them directly. And the results are instantaneous, very quick. For instance, now, if I find, let's say, I want to promote maybe one of my products, and what I need to do is to find somebody that owns a WhatsApp TV, and then I pay the person some amount of money to post my content on their status. All right, so if this person has like 2,000 views, I'm going to be getting some people coming to me if that person posts my business on their status. So a lot of people who are interested out of that 2,000 views are going to come to me. Are you seeing that now? So all I'll do is to ask them to save my contact. They save my contact, I save their contact, and then I've gotten some leads who are going to be seeing my status. Are you getting this now? So this is how WhatsApp TVs work. All right, so if you want to learn more about WhatsApp TV, you want to promote your business with WhatsApp TV, go to the comment section. All right, drop a comment for me. All right, and I'm going to answer you as soon as possible. Now that's number 3. Number 4 is to use chain reaction method. use chain reaction method. This is a kind of word of mouth marketing in which you have to encourage people, encourage your friends to repost your content. All right. So you are creating a content and then you add your link to it. Okay. So when your friends now pick this content and post on their status with the link attached to it, it will bring these people back to you. Are you getting it now? Now, when these people come back to you, you give them another link. Let's say you give them a new link for them to repost. Are you getting this now? So the new persons that come into your WhatsApp that they are interested in your product, you tell them to first save your number. And once they save your number, they say, okay, done, I've saved it. Now you give them another assignment, repost on their status. Once they repost on their status, that's how it keeps going as a chain reaction. Are you getting it now? So the more people are posting and reposting, more people are coming to you. Are you getting this now? So this actually works. This actually works. Okay. This is the chain reaction method. Now the fifth one is to use lead magnets. Right? To use lead magnets. Lead magnet is just you creating a product, okay? A small valuable product that you can give out for free. All right? That you can give out for free. Now, that product is something that can actually educate your people. It can be a free video, it can be a free ebook, it can be something that doesn't cost you much to create. All right, you give these people this product and then they use it. Now, inside your lead magnet, you are going to attach more information about your business. You're not giving them all of the information, you're just giving them part of it. So when they digest it and they love it, some people are going to want more. All right. That is why you need to add your contact details, more information about your business inside your lead magnet. You can add your social media accounts. You can add your links to your YouTube. You can add links to your website. So as they are reading, as they are enjoying the lead magnets, they are also seeing some information about your business. Are you getting this now? So this is how to market your business on WhatsApp. 5 best ways to market your business on WhatsApp. So if you're thinking of how you can market your business on WhatsApp and you don't know how to create lead magnets, send a message to me in the comment section. All right, go to the comment section and drop a message for me saying you want to learn how to create lead magnets, and I'm going to respond to you and tell you how you can gain access to me to learn more about how to create lead magnets. Now, I believe that you have learned something from this video. If you want to promote your business, maybe you don't want to stress yourself and you're looking for someone to hire to help you promote your business on WhatsApp, go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop a link in the description, or drop a comment for me in the comment section and I'm going to attend to that. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.